Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I am Dr. Dhananjay, Director of CROM Clinical Research and Medical Tourism Private Limited. Today we have great news that we got SEC recommendations for the pediatric vaccine, Covaxin. About 2 years to 18 years population will be covered in this pediatric drive, vaccination drive. So Covaxin got this permission from the subject expert committee, and within 2 days we will get DCGI emergency marketing authorization letter. So Covaxin is the most trusted brand now. Why? Because crores of the Indians taken out this vaccine, and now there is no single death or any major adverse event in this Covaxin. So anybody can trust the same Covaxin in the pediatric population. And this time we can start very urgently. You can say even next week we can start this drive, because everything is there. The batch is same. I mean the dosage is same, strain is same. Once we receive the stock for this pediatric, then we can start. You can say that within 1 week we can start, because the COVID portal is also available with all the CVCs, and there is no major preparations for this drive. So we can expect next week this Covaxin for pediatric, and now we can expect that the borders for international borders will be open very soon.